Mojo Verde. A Mojo Verde is a green dip that originated in Canary Islands back in Spain. And the recipe emigrated many years ago to the Western Hemisphere, in particular to Cuba and Puerto Rico. And it is delicious, perfect for tostones, perfect for yuca frita, and even to cook your beans. But I warned you, this one is going to be spicy. Spicy without even using jalapeno or any of that stuff. It's going to be delicious. And remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. You're going to need several teeth of garlic. Doesn't matter how many, because it is, it's depending on how much you want to cook or prepare. I have some cilantro. You're going to need some salt for taste, extra virgin olive oil, and I'm going with the Spanish one. You can use any one. You're going to need vinegar. Can be apple. I'm going white. I have some fresh oregano. You can mince it. This is optional, by the way. And also optionally, I have some lime. You can use lemon. And I don't even know if I want to use this yet. That's very optional. It comes down to what kind of taste you want. So in this blender, I'm going to add the garlic. I'm going to add some of the oregano. Also going to add some of my extra virgin olive oil. See? You can add somewhere between quarter cup to half a cup if you want to. And you're going to add some of the cilantro. And I'm adding a little bit first before I start pulsing this baby. So what you do is you press pulse, see? And you pulse it for a little bit. Now that you pulse it, add some vinegar. It's about close to the same amount as the oil. Add also some pepper for taste, some salt for taste. Cover it. And do some more pulsing. And if you want to, you add a little bit of squeeze of a lime. Not a lot, just a few drops, not a lot. Cover again. And some more pulsing. Okay. So now you transfer the dip to a container where you can put the dip away for later use. Look at this video.